Hey friends, hope you're doing well. In this video I'd like to address one of the biggest problems we had in GenAI so far when it comes to PowerPoints and presentations, because they were basically not possible. Because everything the AI was more or less doing was just copy-pasting the text inside the presentation, but there were no charts. The images did not really fit and so on. And now the question is, did Google fix it? And in this example I want to show you what you can now do with Canvas and Gemini models. So basically all you need to do is you go inside Google Gemini, then you activate the specific tool, which in this case is Canvas, and then you get started. And you can either choose something like I do here, which is just I use a random topic, which is in this case NVIDIA, and I want to have an investor presentation. But you can also upload your own data, of course, right? And say I want to create a PowerPoint presentation based on this and that. And you can also, of course, add additional images if you would like to do that, to give it some kind of guidance. So, but with this simple prompt by its own, I just let, in this case, Gemini do its work, and it came up with this specific presentation. And just in case you do not like certain kinds of aspects, you can still adjust them, of course, as I did it here. And I just wanted to show it to you. By the way, you can also export this slide, right, to Google Slides. You can store it on your Google Drive if you want to do that, and you can also share it if you want to do that. And let me show it you directly inside Google in the slide section here. So that's what it looks like. So it goes up here. And you can see that if I go through it, for instance here, of course we can see text, but not only. We can also see, in this case here, like kind of images inside, and also charts, like this one here, for example, which gives you, in this case, a revenue breakdown. And you also have, in this case, well, shapes like this one, and we also include images like this one. Of course, these are royalty free, right? Generated by GenAI, but that's basically it. So the question really is that, did Google actually finally fix the problem regarding PowerPoint presentations and large language models? So the answer, I like you to decide. So please share it in the comments. What do you think? Give it a try yourself. And as always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and hopefully see you in the next video. Until then, best guys.